So yesterday I received a really good question during office hours that made me understand what several of your Ohm's law questions are. And I will give you then 4 examples here with 4 different resistors, a 1K, a 2K, a 5K, and a 10K. If this was the first class we're doing in 285, you'd say these are all in air. But obviously when I'm asking, I'm not sure it's that obvious, but when I'm asking Ohm's law questions, I can say this is a 1 milliamp current, or there's a 10 volt voltage drop, or there are 20 volts on this side and 20 volts on this side, or there are 5 volts on this side and minus 5 volts on this side. So in all of these cases, I will be asking questions such as, what is the voltage drop? What is the current? Voltage and current. So given these kinds of questions, here in red, I'm going to ask, what is, for example, what is this voltage drop here? V1. And now I'm going to ask, what is this current? I2. And then I'm going to ask, what is I3? And then I'm going to ask, what is I4? I'm hoping all my 285 students will be able to answer these. If you are 285 student, pause the video now and write down these answers, and then come back and take a look at what I'm going to use. So the first question here, the 1K, if there's a 1 milliamp going that way, there is a 1 volt going the opposite way, so this is minus 1 volt, the V1. I2, there's 10 volts that way. 10 volts divided by 2K is 5 milliamps, but the current's going to go in the other direction, so it's minus 5 milliamps. The catch for 285 is that here, if I measure 20 volts on this side and 20 volts on this other side, this means really the drop, and I want the drop V3 to be here. V3 is 20 volts minus 20 volts, so it's the arrow minus the tail. It's 0, and therefore current I3 is 0. On the other hand, current I4, I'm going to say 5 volts minus 5, that means 10 divided by 10K, 1 milliamp. If you have questions, please post on Piazza or on the comments for this video. Thank you.